Hi, this is Spence with Wycott Realtors SPM, and today I'm at 352 Songbird Lane in Collierville to do a move-out inspection on this rental home. As you see, the front yard looks like it has been recently mowed. Don't see any major issues on the structure of the house. So let's head inside and check it out. So as we come in the front door, we come into the foyer. Everything does look in really good shape. A couple of little nail holes and stuff like that, but nothing major at all. Floors look good. Over into the dining area. Again, paint, everything looks good. Blinds look in great shape. Floors look good. Everything is good and clean. Come into the kitchen. See, the kitchen is clean. The stove has been cleaned out. Come back through into the rest of the kitchen. Refrigerator has been cleaned. Sink is good. I don't show any issues under the sink. So we'll come back through the house to the hall bath. Everything looks good. No issues under the sink. To the living room. It looks like the living room, the carpets have been freshly cleaned. He does have paperwork to show that. Walls all look good. Again, just a couple little nail holes and that's about it. As we come upstairs, stairs look good. Again, just a couple little scuff marks on the walls, but nothing major at all. So we come upstairs into this first bedroom. Again, carpets have been cleaned. A few little nail holes on the walls, but again, nothing too major at all. Down into the bonus room. All carpets have been cleaned. Walls look good. He did point out the tenant did point out one little thing here. See, there's a little bit of a crack, looks like just settling maybe up on the ceiling. As we come back through this bedroom here, again, everything looks good, looks in good condition. Carpets have been cleaned. Into the hall bath. Everything has been cleaned and looks good. Another one thing he did point out, which I think is already noted at the office, this faucet is not working here. It works on the cold side, just not on the hot. And it is dripping a little bit. Come through back to the master bedroom. Walls look good. Master bath. Everything looks good here. Looks like it has been cleaned out. And the master closet has been cleaned out as well. Overall, the house looks in great condition. We'll remind you that I am a licensed real estate agent. I am not a licensed electrician, plumber, or contractor. So any of those systems will need to be checked by a licensed professional. So we'll head back downstairs and check out the backyard. So as we come into the backyard, you see the yard looks like it has been mowed fairly recently. The fence looks in good shape all the way around. The deck has been cleaned off. As we come around, you do see the two air conditioning units are in place. So that concludes this walkthrough at 352 Songbird in Collierville, Tennessee. Thank you for watching.